Now, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 2, polynomial. So, first we will see how many topics are there to study. So, these are the topics. First, introduction, then standard form of polynomial, then value of polynomial, remainder theorem, factor theorem, factorization of polynomial using factor theorem, and factorization of cubic and higher degree polynomial. So basically, in introduction part we will see what is polynomial actually, how many types of polynomial and what is polynomial. We will see under the topic introduction. Okay, so before study about polynomial directly, we should know some other basic term which will be used in to define the polynomials. Okay, that is expression. That is expression. What is expression? A mathematical statement which consists of constant, variable and operator. A mathematical statement which consists of constant, variable and operator. What is constant? What is constant actually? Constant, those quantity which value will not change, as for example 7 will be always used as a 7. 1 will be always used as a 1. You can't say that 1 is equals to 2. This will be wrong. Means the value of 1 will not change. You can't say that 7 equals to 6. You can't say. So 7, the value of 7 will not change. So these values are called constant. And variable. What is variable? Variable are those quantity whose value will change, whose value will not fixed. As for example, x may be equals to 2, x may be equals to 3, x may be equals to 0, x may be equals to 5. So here x is called variable, like y equals to 1, y equals to 2. Here x is called, y is called variable. Means variable are those quantity whose value is not fixed. As for example, here x is a variable whose value is not fixed, y is a variable whose value is not fixed. And third is what? Operator. Operators are basically the sign, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So these are called mathematical operators. These are called mathematical operators. Now we will talk about expression. Expression is a mixture of constant, variable and operators. It may be mixture of constant and variable. It may be mixture of it may be only constant, it may be only variable, but it may not be operator. As for example, x plus 2 is an expression. Why? X is what? X is variable. 2 is what? 2 is constant. Plus is what? Operator. Plus is what? Operator. So x plus 2 is an expression. If someone tells you x, only x, Is that an expression? Yes, is that an expression? Because someone, you can arise a question, sir, it has not operator, it has not a constant. Why we can say that this is an expression? Yes, this is an expression because x has, x is what? It is variable. If nothing is there, 1 will be there. We can write 1 into x is what? X. So 1 is there. And in between 1 and x, what is this? Multiplication sign. So 1 is what? Constant. Multiplication sign is what? Operator. So we can say that x is an expression. X is an expression. If someone tells you is only 7 is an expression, is only 7 is an expression, yes, we can say that 7 is an expression because as you know in first chapter, any number of to the power 0 is what? 1. So if 7 is there, we can multiply with 1, means what? That is also 7. And 7 into 1, at the place of 1, what we can write? X to the power 0. So this is what? This is a variable. This is multiplication sign is what? Operator. And 7 is what? Constant. So in this way 7 is an expression. Means only constant, only variable may be an expression, or mixture of constant and variable may be an expression. Mixture of constant, variable and operators may be an expression. But only operator is not an expression. Only operator is not an expression. Okay. So this is about expression. Now, next thing is equation. Next thing is equation. Equation. An expression which consists of equal sign. An expression which consists of equal sign. Means, as for example, we have seen that x plus 2 is an expression. So if someone write x plus 2 is equals to suppose 1 or 0. So x plus 2 is what? Only x plus 2 is expression, and it is come with the equal sound sign, then it becomes equation. So equation is an expression which consists of equal sign, okay. So these are what? About expression and equation. These are about expression, and now we will learn about types of expression and types of equation. These are the types of expression and equation. Types of equation are basically linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation and polynomial. And types of expression are what? Monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So one by one we will study about these types. Equation, linear equation. Linear equation are those equations we will learn about. Linear equation. Linear equation whose highest degree is 1. What is degree? Degree means power. As for example, x square. What is the degree of x here? 2. X cube. What is the degree of x here? 3. So degree is nothing but power. So linear equation are those equations whose highest degree is what? 1. As for example, x plus 1 equals to 0. So what is the power of x here? 1. If power is nothing, mean power is not shown, mean its power is 1. So here this is called linear equation. Now quadratic equation whose degree would be 2. As for example, 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. What is the highest power here? Highest degree? 2. So if highest degree is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. Cubic equation. If highest degree is 3, then it is called cubic. And all these 3 comes under polynomial. Poly means many. Poly means many. So polynomial means whose degree more than 3 or 4 or 1 degree may be called polynomial. Okay. So polynomial, we will study about polynomial later on. What is polynomial? We are just types of expression and equation we are learning here. Then monomial. Monomial, that is a type of expression. Monomial, which only one term. So there is a term coefficient, term and degree. First you have to understand these 3 terms. Coefficient. Coefficient are the multiplier of variable. Suppose here 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7. This is an expression. So here multiplier of x is what? Variable. The multiplier of variable is what? 3. That is constant. So coefficient are basically constant which is multiplied with a variable. Coefficient are basically constant which is multiplied with a variable. So if someone asks in this question, how many terms in this equation? So terms are basically separated by plus or minus in an expression. Terms are basically separated by the operator plus and minus. So there are 3 terms here. This term, this term, this term. And if someone asks coefficient of x square, then coefficient of x square is 5. Coefficient of x cube is what? 3. And what is 7? 7 किसका coefficient है? We can write that 7 into x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is what? 1. And we can, and if we multiply 1 with a 7, it remains 7. So coefficient of x to the power 0 is what? 7. So many questions can be asked. Degree. Degree is what? Highest power of an expression. So what is the highest power here? Highest power is 3. So we can write degree of the given expression is what? 3, not 2. Highest power is called degree. So this is about coefficient, term and degree. Now come to the topic here. Monomial, only one term. Binomial, those who have two terms. Trinomial, those who have three terms. Polynomial, so many terms. As for example, x plus 2. How many terms are there? Two terms. So that is called monomial. X, only x, that is called, only x, that is called, x is what? Monomial, only one term. X plus 2 is what? Binomial. When two terms are there, then it is called binomial. When three terms, x plus y plus 3, then it is called trinomial. And many terms are there, then it is called polynomial. Polynomial means, poly means many. Those who have many terms, that is called what? A polynomial. So these are the types of equation and these are the types of expression. Okay, so just you do some question based on that discussion. One more thing is that standard form of polynomial. Linear equation. Linear equation means degree 1, that is ax plus b, where a and b is what? Constant, and x is variable. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what? Those equations which have a highest degree of 2. It is denoted by ax square plus bx plus c, where x is variable, a, b and c are constant. And cubic equation. Cubic equation means which have a highest power 3, and its standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where x is what? Variable, a, b, c and d are what? Constant. So these are the standard form of linear equation, quadratic equation and cubic equation, or you can say that linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So on the basis of this discussion, we will do some question. Okay.